Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Vanya. I make videos about fashion, lifestyle, beauty and loads of hauls. There's something for everyone here, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you don't miss any of my videos. So I came across this very interesting website called Handmade, which brings together all home entrepreneurs on a common platform to sell their handmade products. They also have a studio in Paschim, Vihar, which I visited, which was so beautifully put together and so lovely. They have over 5,000 products on their website, so obviously there were only a few of them displayed at their studio, from hand-painted shoes, quirky notebooks with doodles and quotes, corporate gifting options, such colorful nameplates, dream catchers, candles in so many variants, postcards, home decor, 3D models from paper DIY kits, also such fun wedding invites, intricate pebble art, string art, small canvases and whatnot. I shopped quite a bit from there, so let's see what all I got. The first thing that I got is the string art piece. I thought it's going to be a great addition to my room. I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so I really could not resist buying it. I'm going to hang some bits of my jewelry and my sling bags on it. The next thing that I got is this nameplate. It's going to look really cute on my room's door. I got it customized from the studio and it says Vanya. I really like all the colors that have been put together and love the way it has been painted, so I got this. Next thing that I got is this cute Minion Pen Stand. It would be perfect for my dresser and I could keep my makeup brushes and comb and things like that in it. Then I got this paperweight, which is actually a pebble art and has this cute owl painted on it. I found it very cute, so I got this. Then I got these two diaries. This one is hand painted and says love on it. And this is a digital doodle art piece. I really like the black over the blue and it has these blank pages so you can write, doodle, draw or anything that you want to. I also got this diary for my brother, which is rule if he decides to take any notes in college. It also has this cute kitty bookmark on it. Then I got this passport cover. I really like the floral print on it, so I got it. Then I got this small canvas. It says love at first bite and has a pizza on it. I thought it would be a really quirky addition to my room, kept anywhere. Then I got this Dreamcatcher key ring. I still don't have a keychain for my house key, so I decided to get this one. I really like the purple and the pink together. Now I've recently been liking putting up pictures in my room, so I got this picture frame. It also has this cute heart clip-on on it. I've decided to put some Polaroids of me and my family on it. Then I got this Nikhar Scrub from Raw Home Essentials. It's made from rose petals. I thought it would be really nice and light for my face, so I decided to try this one out. Now they had a bunch of candles in so many variants. And I went a little crazy. I got this cocoa butter one. Then I got this jasmine one, which really smells like jasmine flowers. Then I got lemongrass, which is so nice and fresh. Then I got orange, which has to be my favorite. The last thing that I got is this huge jewellery box. It has flowers painted on it. I have a lot of jewellery pieces and I eventually lose them because they keep lying anywhere in my room. So I got this. It has quite a few compartments and I really like the blue velvet with the pink. So that's it for the haul. I also asked the owner a few questions in case you may have any queries. So what was your idea behind Handmade?
Handmade was started in 2017 with the belief to promote all the home-based entrepreneurs. You might be knowing that there are many platforms for hoteliers, restaurants, manufacturers, traders and many other branded products. But you won't find any specific platform for such passionate artists. So here we are with our venture where we are promoting these people and making their passion into a business.
How has been your journey so far?
Journey has been crazy, as we have seen, huge amount of demand of such kind of handmade key products. Moreover, we have around 300 plus makers all over India with 5,000 products on our website. We almost cover all the categories like homemade pickle, cupcake, cakes, and handmade shoes, wall decor items, and a lot many stuff.
So can we get anything customized?
Yeah, so that's the USP about the venture. So you can contact the maker before ordering to it, and you can get it checked whether they can make any design for you or not. And I tell you, I mean, any design is possible over all these products.
Where do you see yourself in future?
So we aim to be the biggest platform for such creative key products. And we want millions of buyers interacting with thousands of makers to get anything customized on the portal.
So if anybody wants to register with IMI, what's the procedure?
The procedure is quite simple. We have made it's a hassle-free thing. So it's like you don't have to have a GST number to get registered with us, but just log on to the website and you list your products and make a very small amount as a subscription fee, which is 450 rupees for 1 year. And most importantly, when you get listed with us and whenever you get any order on the website, it's all 0% commission. We don't charge any kind of commission. So it's between you and the buyer. So the money goes directly to your bank account.
Alright. You also have an Instagram page, right?
Yes, we are there on social media on Facebook and Instagram. So by the name iMadeIt.in.
So guys, please follow them on Instagram and Facebook. So guys, if you are passionate about something, you can log on to the IMI website and register yourself. And if you have friends who have a creative bent, they can do the same. Please don't forget to follow them on Instagram. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next Friday. Bye.